Welcome to qnawire.
Okay, this problem is asking us why there is not an aldol product when we react 2,2,6-trimethylcyclohexanone with a base. So here is my 2,2,6-trimethylcyclohexanone, in which I have my cyclohexanone, and then I have my, at position 2, I have, 6, I have my 1-methyl, and then I have 2 methyl groups at position 2. Okay, so this is going to undergo a hypothetical aldol condensation, or aldol reaction, but can it even do that in the first place? So let's just say we react this with sodium hydroxide. My sodium hydroxide is going to deprotonate the most acidic hydrogen. My most acidic hydrogen would be, I'll do this part in red, would be right here. Right, because if I move the electrons onto that hydrogen and move them down, they would create a lone pair on that carbon. And right, there's no hydrogen on those carbons, so that's why I do it specifically on that carbon. Okay, so that would yield this product, in which I have my cyclohexanone still, lone pairs there, with a methyl group coming out, and then my 2 methyl groups unaffected. Okay, so what would be next? Next up, we would undergo a reaction with another one of those molecules, another one of 2,2,6-trimethylcyclohexanone. So let's draw one of those out, like this. Okay, so these lone pairs are going to come in and attack that carbonyl, and then move the electrons up to that oxygen, and we should get this product, which we have my unaffected starting material. So like I'll actually reverse it just so we can connect it more easily. Okay, and then so on this side, this was my 6th carbon. So right now I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. These two, I just basically mirrored the molecule just so it would be easier for myself. Okay, and then that is connecting to this carbon right here, and connected to that is my oxygen, and then I have the remainder of my cyclohexanone, and then I have my 2,2,6-trimethylhexanone. Okay, so next up, I have to basically get rid of this oxygen. And I'm going to get rid of that oxygen by protonating it. Okay, by protonating it, I will have created an alcohol. So I can make this molecule now. Basically just the same thing, but just protonated now. Okay, and next up, I'm going to do an elimination reaction. But the question is, why can't I make my aldol condensation product? And the answer is because I don't have any single hydrogen right here. Usually I would take a hydrogen from there, deprotonate it, move the electrons onto that single bond, creating a double bond, and move that alcohol out. But in this case, I can't do that because there's no acidic proton there. So if we go all the way back to our starting material, we'll realize that we need actually 2 hydrogens. We need 2 hydrogens in that acidic position, because if we don't, then we can't complete our aldol condensation.